How to add pictures and videos to an album in Photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the Photos app. Then in here, you can go to your photo library, or you can go to an album, so that's up to you. So we can open up an album. So in Garden, so we can open up Garden, and here you can select videos and pictures. So here I have selected 5 items. Then tap on the More button at the bottom here. Then from here you can choose Add to Album. Here choose an album. So here I can choose IT Jungle's album, and that's it. After that we can tap on the back key. Now let's go to IT Jungle's album, and you can see here I have now added some photos and a video to this particular album. So that is from the Garden album, and I have add a few pictures to the IT Jungles album. Now if you go to your photo library, it will do the same thing. So in my photo library, I can select a few pictures. So here I tap on select, and I'll select that one, another video, and a few more pictures. So this one here. Then tap on the More button and then choose Add to Album, and from here we choose IT Jungles. And if I go to my IT Jungles albums now, you can see the selected pictures and videos has now been added to this album. And if I want to remove them from an album, I can select it. So I'll just tap on select and then tap on delete, and I choose don't delete the pictures, just tap on remove from album, and that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.